The seedling story continues here in Nyandarua, and I'm so privileged to meet Pastor Benjamin Karanja.
Correct.
Pastor, where did you get the seedlings from?
I got my seedlings from Plantech, which is positioned in Naivasha. Plantech, one thing is that it's an established entity which is doing seedlings. And since I'm in the commercial forestry, I went there for an exposure visit, and they agreed to develop some seedlings for me and other farmers in Nyandarua County, because it's also good to introduce good seedlings to other farmers who we are doing the same business with.
What did you learn from Plantech?
There's quite a number of things I learned from Plantech. Number one, the access quality seeds, and that is why I opted to go to Plantech.
There's something about their seedlings that stands out.
Yeah.
What is it?
Number one is survival rate. Considering that I did my planting when there was a shortage of rain, and after planting them, the survival rate was about 98%. That was good about it. Number two, as you can see, the uniformity. The trees are uniform. So, and also the development of the roots, establishment of the roots is so good. Those are the things which stand out to be very good.
Would you recommend Plantech for anyone who's interested in doing exactly what you're doing?
Of course, yes. And that is why after going there alone for an exposure visit, I had to organize for other farmers to accompany me, and I went there with more than 20 farmers who are already given their orders for the next rain season for planting. So we are waiting for the rains to come, then we go, because they have already given the order.
That's good.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
What's the difference between getting seedlings from Plantech and seedlings from, the other conventional places?
Plantech, they access quality seeds. They also take care when developing the seedlings, and you are sure of what you are getting. From other places, they may tell you it's the seedlings, but in Plantech, they have a process. They will take you through the process. They will show you where they got the seeds, and then they will show you how they are developing it. So there is the genuinity, if I can speak,
Right.
of what you are getting. I will recommend more farmers to go for seedlings, and especially when you are planning to develop a commercial forest, because they take short time. Because comparing the time I planted, now it is the 9th month.
Right.
If it is the other seedlings, they will be very small. But this one now, in 10 years' time or 8 years' time, depending on the locality, I'll be doing the harvest. Yeah, so I recommend this one to other farmers. Yeah, because of the survival rate, uniformity, quality, I recommend them to go and get these seedlings from Plantech.